Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete chapter number 6. Exercises of chapter number 6. Robin Hood tricks the sheriff. So let's start. चलिए यहाँ पे ट्रू फॉल्स लिखना है और जो फॉल्स है उन्हें करेक्ट करना है. द शेरिफ वॉज अ काइंड मैन. फॉल्स. रॉबिन हुड सोल्ड मीट एट अ चीपर प्राइस दैन द अदर बुचर्स. ट्रू. द बुचर्स इन्वाइटेड रॉबिन हुड टू हैव डिनर विद द किंग. यहाँ पे किंग नहीं शेरिफ है. फॉल्स. द शेरिफ प्लान टू हेल्प रॉबिन हुड इन हिज बिजनेस. फॉल्स. देन द शेरिफ कैरिड पेबल्स इन हिज बैग. फॉल्स. क्या लेकर गया था वो? 300 पाउंड्स गोल्ड कॉइन्स. देन next question. Answer this question. Where did the poor man go after being troubled by the sheriff and why? Answer. The poor man went to the Robin Hood who lived in Sherwood Forest after being troubled by the sheriff. They went to him because Robin gave them food and money. Some stayed with him and worked for him. Then next question. Whom did Robin Hood meet in the forest and what did they trade? Robin Hood met a butcher in the forest. He bought all the mutton and the pony from the butcher. What did the Robin Hood do with all the meat? Robin Hood sold all the meat at 2 pence a pound in the marketplace at Nottingham. Then next, why did the sheriff want to buy the goats and sheep? Answer. The sheriff thought that Robin Hood was a silly fellow who did not know the correct value of the things. So he planned to buy his goats and sheep at a cheap rate and sell them again to the butchers for a high price and earn a lot of money. Then, where did the sheriff go with Robin Hood? What happened to him there? Answer. The sheriff went to the forest of Sherwood. There Robin revealed his identity, summoned his men, gave a fine dinner to sheriff and snatched all the money he had. Then next, write the synonym of the underlined words. The price of this toy is too high. तो price का synonym क्या है? Cost. Then I fell ill after eating the stale food. Ill का synonym sick. Third, Mandira made a small mistake in her paper. Mistake, error. Fourth, I was so happy to see my grandparents after a long time. Happy, glad. Fourth, the burglar broke into the house, but he found nothing valuable. Burglar, thief. Then Radha received a beautiful birthday gift from her best friend Tina. Gift, present. Then circle the word which does not form a compound noun with the word in bold. जैसे अभी देखो, सुपर मार्केट होता है, सुपर पावर होता है, सुपरमैन होता है. सुपर डे होता है क्या? नहीं होता, इसलिए उसको सर्कल करना है. देन बैकपैक, बैक स्टेज, बैकबोन. बैक चार्ज नहीं होता है. बुक शेल्फ होता है, बुक मार्क होता है, बुक कीपर होता है, बुक वे नहीं होता है. देन लाइफ बोट, लाइफ लाइन, लाइफ गार्ड. लाइफ वाटर पॉसिबल नहीं. देन फोर फिंगर, फोर फादर, फोर हेड. फोर लिफ्ट नहीं होता है, सो लिफ्ट को वहाँ पर सर्कल किया है. देन नेक्स्ट, सम डे, समवन, समबडी. सम पेपर नहीं होता है, सो पेपर को सर्कल किया है. देन जॉइन द सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग हु और विच. सो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस कैसे होगा? This is the old car which her father sold it off. Then, second, this is the river which has many colorful fish. यहाँ से it निकालना है, ठीक है. Then this is the vet who gave the dog some biscuits. ही को निकाल देना है वहाँ से. These are the boxes which contain Aman's toys. यहाँ पर आपको दे निकालना है. Then fifth, this is the footballer who passed the ball to Srilata. Then this is Little John who is Robin Hood's most loyal friend. अब यहाँ पर ना जैसे सेकंड सेंटेंस है उसमें इट निकालना है, थर्ड में ही, फोर्थ में दे, देन फिफ्थ में अगेन शी निकालना है और सिक्स में ही. ओके. चलिए फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स विद ए एंड दी. One hot day, an ant went to a pond to drink water, but she slipped and fell into the pond. A sparrow saw the ant crying for help. I must help her, she thought. If I pick a leaf and drop it in the water, the ant can climb on it. The leaf will be like a boat for the ant. So the sparrow dropped a leaf into the water and the ant climbed onto it. The sparrow saved the ant's life. Then next, complete the double letter words for the following sentences. Double letter जैसे शेरिफ है, डबल एफ आया है, मटन में डबल टी, स्टॉल में डबल एल, डिनर में डबल एन, पेपर्स में डबल पी, डबल बी. सो वैसे यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. आई यूजली स्लीप हगिंग माई सॉफ्ट पिलो. क्या आया है? डबल एल. Second, we have dinner at 8 p.m. every day. Third, I went to the mall this weekend and bought a pair of shoes. Fourth, I saw the little girl whipping in the park. Fifth, the poor people of the land made the king. Sixth, I was looking for my puppy and finally found her in the garden.